Today, we are going to solve an interesting trigonometry problem step by step. The question asks us to prove that 9 pi over 8 minus 9 over 4 sine inverse 1 over 3 equals 9 over 4 sine inverse 2 square root of 2 over 3. Let's start with the left-hand side, or LHS, which is 9 pi over 8 minus 9 over 4 sine inverse 1/3. To simplify this, our first step is to take 9 over 4 common from both terms. When we do that, we get 9 over 4 multiplied by the quantity pi over 2 minus inverse sine of 1/3. Now we can use a standard inverse trigonometric identity, which tells us that pi over 2 minus sine inverse of x equals cosine inverse of x. Applying this here, our expression nicely simplifies to 9 over 4 cosine inverse of 1/3. Next, we need to convert this cosine inverse into a sine inverse to match our right-hand side. We will use the identity cosine inverse of x equals sine inverse of the square root of 1 minus x squared. By substituting x equals 1/3, the expression becomes 9 over 4 inverse sine of the square root of 1 minus 1/3 squared. Simplifying the term inside the square root, we get 1 minus 1/9, which equals 8/9. So now we have 9 over 4 inverse sine of the square root of 8/9. Taking the square root of 8 simplifies to 2 square root of 2, and square root of 9 is 3. This gives us our final result. 9 over 4 sine inverse 2 square root of 2 over 3. This perfectly matches the right-hand side, or RHS. Hence, the equation is proved. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.